Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And let's have a quick look at XRP then. As you can see, I did have a small short position at this previous level of resistance. If we look at the daily time frame, you can see what was going on in my mind. Obviously we came back up into the 0.23 Fibonacci after coming down and retesting here, so I did put in a short position, but looks like we actually got the continuation and I got stopped out pretty much straight away on this one. Obviously this sometimes happens, but you can see absolutely no respect given whatsoever to that 0.23 Fibonacci off the back of quite a lot of bullish news surrounding the Ripple case. The Hinman documents are not being sealed, which means that they'll eventually have to come out, and all of the hypocrisy, or at least, alleged hypocrisy surrounding the SEC and their judgments will start to come out. I do think the SEC is just completely nonsense organization, really. They've not defined anything to do with cryptocurrency regulations whatsoever, and yet they're coming after people and attacking them. All kinds of organizations in cryptocurrency, despite giving them no actual regulatory clarity whatsoever. So a pretty ridiculous situation, to be honest, in the US. Are we even surprised, to be honest? The US having a lot of ridiculous things happening recently, to be honest, in terms of financial stuff, as we've all seen. So XRP here, you can see we came down to support, we lost support, we came back up to resistance. I thought we'd probably get a continuation like this, but in reality what happened was we've actually deviated back up inside of the previous range again. You can see here, if we have a look, you can see we've got this big nice run up to resistance, rejection, consolidation, and then another pump up here, and then coming back and actually back testing pretty much perfectly that 0.23 Fibonacci level, which coincides nicely with, you can see here, this level of support previously. Deviated back inside here, and now actually bouncing up yet again and consolidating, maybe ready for another leg up here. You can see potential bearish divergences coming in here, but I do think we could come down, back test, and continue here. So my thought process would be, actually, now that we've come back up and back tested this area again, if we come down into this area like this, I'd actually be looking to take a long position now and change my strategy from the short position that we did see, because you can see we're getting a little bit of a obviously we've had this bit of a downtrend like this, but I do think this deviation back up above the 0.23 Fibonacci is quite a clear sign for me that we could be looking at a bit more upside. Obviously quite a decent amount of hype surrounding the Ripple case in regards to XRP, and I think we could easily see another bounce to the upside here, maybe a back test and bounce like this, at least to this previous swing high would probably be the way that I'd play this going into the next few days at the very least. Having a look at the daily time frame here, you can see we've been coming down like this, but really looking like we might at least come back up into this area here. So that would be my analysis and my thoughts today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.